This is not a drill. This is not a drill. General quarters. General quarters. All hands man your battle station.
And with that, welcome to United States Space Force News. In today's article that we're covering from Air Force Magazine, the Space Force and NRO will fly targeting satellites shoulder to shoulder. The United States Space Force is making progress on its plans with the National Reconnaissance Office to enable space-based targeting and replace legacy Air Force aircraft, with multi-senior leaders saying this at the U.S. Air Force Association's Warfare Symposium. The Pentagon has explored the idea of space-based moving targeted and indication older aircraft such as the JSTAR and the Air Force AWACS system and replacing them with space-based assets under the United States Space Force, and has the ultimate goal of replacing these legacy-based airborne assets with these new satellites. These satellites will be jointly operated between the United States National Reconnaissance Office, or NRO, and the United States Space Force to fill the gaps in this air-based system. To read the full article about this groundbreaking new idea, check out the description.
Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.